And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, the government has pushed back the implementation of the ban on single-use plastic food containers.
The ban, which was initially scheduled for June 1, will now take effect on July 1.
Now, according to Minister with responsibility for the environment, Matthew Samuda, the delay is to facilitate further stakeholder involvement.
Many Jamaicans have been enjoying their food in single-use plastic containers since the 2019 ban on styrofoam products. But come July 1, single-use plastic food containers will become a thing of the past in the island. The ban should have taken effect tomorrow, June 1. However,
we've added 30 days to the implementation time. We believe this will allow us to tighten up on administrative arrangements, especially at the ports, as well as give the market a little more time to adjust as per the requests that have come over the last 2 weeks from stakeholders, as well as we have seen, no matter how much public education is done, it's never quite enough.
Some stakeholders were concerned that there were limited alternatives in the market, and many felt they were caught off guard. However, Minister with responsibility for the environment, Matthew Samuda, insists the conversation has been ongoing for 7 years. Now, the ban will include the importation, distribution, sale, and use of single-use plastic food containers, but it will exclude transparent plastic lids until environmentally friendly alternatives become available.
There is an exemption for stock pre-purchased before July 1. That's how we've implemented every phase of this ban. It would be impractical to go to 18,000 points of sale to enforce.
Then come July 1, the ban will be extended to include personal care and cosmetic products containing plastic microbeads or microplastics. Mr. Samuda explained what that means.
There are what they call some SKUs. It's different variants of personal care products, whether it's face soaps, whether it's deodorants, some other scrubs that use micro plastic beads as the exfoliating element. There is no wastewater processing facility in the world that can extract these microplastics from our wastewater.
So far, over 40 persons have been brought before the courts since the first phase of the plastic ban. And in the coming weeks, the fine for breaches will be increased to $1.5 million.